So hello everyone. Today in this video I am writing a Python code to subtract two numbers. So here I am defining my first number as num1, which is equal to suppose 89, and I am taking another number which is num2, which is 56. Num2 is equals to 56. So here I define my two numbers num1 and num2. So now subtract, so I am using subs is equals to num1, our operator, minus num2. So here we calculated the subtraction of these two numbers, but to get answer, so we have to print this subs. So print some message, the subtraction of two numbers is, and here our message with our answer, so str subs. So here we get our answer. The subtraction of two number is 33. So in this code I use a command str subs. So what is going here? So this subtraction subs is basically integer, and in this print message this is our string. So Python will not add this string to an integer. So here I convert this integer into a string. So here the answer is in the form of as a complete message. So this is all about the subtraction of two numbers. But one can directly use Python as a calculator. So you will get your answer by simply subtracting these two numbers, and this is your answer. And simply one can also use this Python as your for addition or subtraction. So simply you can use this Python as a calculator. So that's all about subtraction of these two numbers.